Today we are turning simple ingredients into the ultimate comfort food. Juicy meatballs, rich sauce, and perfectly coated spaghetti. I'm putting my meatballs here. I'm making one portion of meatball spaghetti. So we will start with the onion whilst we are stir frying it. Our meatballs is also browning here, you can see. So our onion is minced brown. We add our tomato puree to start it. Yeah. This is my spaghetti we are going to use. So this is our tomato. I added blended ingredient to start the stew. So now I'll add my diced tomatoes to my already sauce here to start afresh. We are going in with our minced spices. I'm adding little hot water so that it can boil well. Just as I am, without one plea, but that thy blood was shed for me, and that thou bidst me come to thee. O Lamb of God, I come, I come. The name is Vidana Walker doing. So I'm adding my meatballs inside the stew. Now let it, stir fry it small before we add our spaghetti. If you are still watching, God bless you. Thank you so much. Don't skip. If you skip, you will not see the ending of our sweet juicy spaghetti with meatballs. Now the next is to cook our spaghetti. This is my spaghetti here. I added salt, I added turmeric and curry powder to get a brighty color. So now the next will be hot water. Yeah, you will boil it for 10 minutes. I'm adding liquid butter small. Cooking isn't about perfection. It's about creating something delicious with your own hands. Great meals take patience, and every stir brings more flavor. The kitchen is where simple ingredients become unforgettable memories. We are still on the spaghetti boiling. Good food, good mood. Made with love, served with flavor. Comfort food never goes out of style. Life is better with pasta. Every great recipe tells a story. Soya sauce. King of glory, King of peace, I will love thee, and that love may never cease. I will move thee. Thou hast granted my request. Thou hast heard me. Thou didst not my waking breast. Thou hast spread me. The name is Bidana Walker Doings. So I added French style spices and also a drop of soya sauce. Oh, for 1,000 tongues to sing my great Redeemer's praise, the glorious of my golden King, the triumphs of his grace. You see how juicy it is? Look at that sauce slowly coating the pasta. That's pure comfort food magic. These meatballs are getting beautifully caramelized and packed with flavor. Fresh herbs make everything brighter, richer, and more appetizing. The secret to amazing spaghetti is letting the pasta and sauce become one. This smell right now, absolutely incredible. Oh, see. I hope you are still here. Oh. Don't skip, please. Don't skip. Now, this is a restaurant style comfort food right at home. A final sprinkle of parsley and persimmon takes it to another level. Oh, beautiful colors, rich sauce, juicy meatballs. Oh, you can see how it's giving the vibe on fire. Ready to impress. You eat with your eyes first. And this dish looking amazing. One bite of this spaghetti and meatballs and you want to make it again and again. Simple ingredients, bold flavor, and pure comfort in every forkful. Thanks for cooking with me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and enjoy your meal. Oh, food made with passion always tastes better. Remember, great cooking isn't about being perfect. It is about putting heart into every step. Keep trying new recipes. Trust the process and never be afraid to make mistakes because that's how rare skill is built. Every meal you create is progress. Every dish tells your story, and every time you cook, you are getting better. Stay passionate, stay creative, and most important, enjoy the journey and share the love through your food.